I would like to make this my special invitation sa inyong lahat sa aking nalalapit na kasal. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to meet my future wife, Miss Elaine Martinez.
Pwede ba, Raul? Give it a chance. Isipin mo na lang ang daddy mo.
Elaine, this is Annie.
Hi.
And this is Penny.